What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove editing restrictions in Microsoft Word. The first thing to check is whether the document is opened in read-only mode. Right-click the Word document file, select Properties, and then look at the General tab. Here, ensure that the read-only attribute is unchecked. This allows you to make changes to the file. Next, still in the Properties window, switch to the Security tab. Here, under Group or Usernames, select the user account you're using. Click Edit to modify permissions and make sure you allow permissions for Full Control, Modify, Read and Execute, Read and Write. After selecting the necessary permissions, click Apply and OK to save these changes. Another scenario where you might find editing restrictions is if the document has explicit editing restrictions applied. To verify this, open a document in Word, go to the Review tab, and click on Restrict Editing. If there are restrictions, you'll be able to see and remove them from here. Lastly, the issue might be due to the Protected View feature, which is designed to protect your computer from potentially unsafe documents. To disable Protected View, open a document, go to File, scroll down and click on Options. Then, navigate to Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings and finally select Protected View. Here, uncheck all the options related to Protected View. Click OK, close the document and reopen it to see if the edit restrictions have been removed. By following these steps, you should be able to edit your Word document without any restrictions. Remember, it's crucial to only disable these protections when you're sure of the document's safety and origin. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.